Imagine this. The deepest place on Earth, the Mariana Trench, nearly 11 kilometers down, suddenly detonates upward, as if the entire ocean floor below it erupted like a colossal underwater volcano. No warning, no rumble, just a titanic upward blast from the darkest part of the ocean. At the moment of the explosion, pressure equal to 1,000 atmospheres violently releases all at once. The water column, normally crushing anything beneath, becomes a vertical cannon. A plume of superheated water, rock, metal-rich sediment, and ancient microbes shoots toward the surface at hundreds of meters per second. The first effect? A mega-tsunami unlike anything in Earth's history. The eruption displaces billions of tons of water instantly. A wall of ocean taller than city skyscrapers forms within minutes. Not a wave, a moving mountain. It races outward in every direction, reaching speeds of 800 kilometers per hour. Guam disappears underwater almost instantly. The Philippines, Japan, and Papua New Guinea get hit next. Cities vanish, coastlines are redrawn. But the worst part is what comes after the initial blast. The explosion rips open a gigantic wound in the seafloor. A chasm pumping superheated water, methane, CO2, and volcanic gases into the ocean. Deep sea vents multiply by the thousands. Some scientists believe the deep ocean holds pockets of volatile gas hydrate deposits. If these ignite or destabilize, the blast becomes even more violent, releasing more gas and intensifying the tsunami system. Then comes the global ocean shockwave. The sudden vertical displacement sends pressure pulses through the entire Pacific Basin. Submarine cables snap. Marine life dies instantly across thousands of kilometers. Whale carcasses rise to the surface. Fish populations collapse. Above the ocean, the atmosphere reacts violently. A vertical plume of water vapor punches into the stratosphere, carrying microscopic life, minerals, and sulfur compounds. Some fall back down as toxic rain. Some spread across the sky, temporarily dimming sunlight and cooling Earth for months. And the seismic effects are catastrophic. The shock from the explosion triggers a chain reaction of earthquakes across the Pacific Ring of Fire. Japan, California, Chile, Indonesia all experience major seismic events within hours. Volcanoes wake up. Some erupt, some collapse. When the mega-tsunami finally reaches the Americas, it is still powerful enough to flood inland for tens of kilometers. Ports vanish. Cities near coasts become uninhabitable. Global trade halts instantly. Power grids collapse. Nations declare states of emergency. In the following months, ocean currents shift dramatically. The Pacific's entire heat distribution changes. Weather patterns destabilize. Hurricane seasons intensify. Monsoons shift unpredictably. Fisheries collapse, creating a global food crisis. The Mariana explosion becomes the greatest natural disaster in human history, an event that reshapes continents, climates, oceans, economies, and civilizations. It reminds the world of a terrifying truth. The deepest point on Earth is not just a scar, it's a loaded pressure chamber. And if it ever explodes upward, the world as we know it ends.